Introducing the HITBOX HBT250P AC/DC TIG welding machine, a high-performance, professional-grade welder engineered for precision, power, and versatility. Built with cutting-edge IGBT inverter technology, this machine is designed to handle even the most demanding welding tasks with unmatched efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIY welder, the HBT250P offers a superior welding experience across a wide range of applications. This is not just another TIG welder, it's a complete welding solution that integrates advanced digital control, multiple welding modes, and intuitive settings to give you total command over your welds. Featuring both AC and DC TIG modes, it's perfect for working with a variety of metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, copper, and more. The AC mode is ideal for aluminum welding, offering excellent arc stability and easy startup, while the DC mode is perfect for welding harder metals with cleaner, deeper penetration. Thanks to the high-frequency, HF, start, arc initiation is contactless, smooth, and reliable, reducing tungsten contamination and making your workflow more efficient. The 2T, 4T switch function gives you full control of the torch, allowing you to operate in either manual or semi-automatic mode for enhanced flexibility and comfort during long welding sessions. It ensures stable performance even under tough working conditions. Encased in a durable aluminum body, the HBT250P is not only tough but also lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport between job sites or store in compact workshops. The intuitive LCD digital display allows for quick adjustments and real-time monitoring of parameters, making it user-friendly even for beginners. In short, the HITBOX HBT250P is a powerful, reliable, and intelligent welding machine that delivers professional-grade performance at an excellent value. Whether you're fabricating custom parts, doing automotive repair, or tackling complex metalwork projects, this welder is your ultimate companion in the workshop.